Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have a double unboxing of the TRENDMOOD boxes. I'll leave my TRENDMOOD box playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. So, I never got around to do an unboxing either on a dedicated video or a live of the TRENDMOOD Volume 6, so I do want to unbox this, and then the other TRENDMOOD box is the Black Owned Brands box. This is the inside of Volume 6. The main reason why I still wanted to unbox Volume 6 is because there is going to be a couple of giveaway items in here, and I just want to share with you what they are. The first item in the box is a new product. This is the Sponge by Makeup Eraser. I am very intrigued by this. Not only did they come out with a new product that is a sponge, it is super soft. Oh my gosh, and it is a teardrop shape, which I really like these shapes of sponges, so I'm so excited to give this a shot. But this is a durable design, threaded to withstand the spin, tumble, and heat of the washer and dryer. Game changing. There's all those TikToks floating around about just throwing your brushes in the washer and they coming out clean. I wish. Now, this is a cool concept. Fit one sponge at a time. Now, that probably isn't like the most eco-friendly option. That's a lot of water for just one sponge. If this was bigger and it could fit multiple sponges instead of doing them one at a time, I would consider doing it. I kind of want to test it out and see. I am still not over how soft this sponge is. I remember when I told Karen Harris I got this box, she said I'm gonna love the sponge. She was not messing around. I cannot wait to try that. Now, if they can come up with something like this for your brushes, hook a girl up, because I hate cleaning my brushes. And then we also got a makeup eraser, which I'm going to feature in a giveaway because I have 7 makeup erasers, pretty much one for every single day of the week. I do go through them quickly, doing full faces like this, multiple looks in a day as well, but I do want to share one with you guys. I know it says it on the instructions, but just be cautious that you must wash this in the washer and dryer first, otherwise it's not going to work, which would be super sad because these really help take off like the full faces and like the lash glue. It has just been a game-changing product in my get unready with me routine. This next item will also be in a giveaway. This is the First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Cinnamide Brightening Cream. I got this in my IPSY add-ons for June. I've only used it a handful of times, but I really like it. A big reason why I like First Aid Beauty is because it's formulated for sensitive skin. And this eye cream is pretty lightweight, but it also provides really good hydration and soothing to the under eye area, whereas I normally only feel that with thick eye cream, so to have a lighter eye cream in that delicate area is a plus for me. Another item that's going to be in a giveaway is this Nabla Secret Palette. I just want to make sure that it is not damaged, and it's not. Look how gorgeous this palette is. I already own it, so we are going to do swatches with mine and set this one aside. I just recently hit 2K, and you know what that means. Giveaway for you guys. Here's my palette, still untouched, but oh, I cannot wait to swatch it. Sabotaging thumb coming through. Aesthetic Contigo Big Experience Guiletta Romeo. These mattes and shimmers are so creamy. Looking at the pan, these 3 shades do look similar. I was hoping they would look a little bit different on the swatch. Hopefully they do blend out nice together, giving looks dimension. Play Hard, Rosemary, Addiction, Fantasize, Mea Culpa. I will say Play Hard and Fantasize definitely had a lighter feel with them, especially Play Hard. So it's probably going to be best applied with your finger or being wet, especially in the inner corners or brow bone highlight. But I also can't get over how soft these shades feel. I Promise, Hypersensual, Ghibli, Creation Crown, Na Black. And this is the entire palette swatched. Again, Hyper Sensual has that same feeling as Play Hard. And then the black, oh my gosh, what a beautiful matte black shade right there. I am super excited to finally try this palette on the eyes. I bought it when it was first released, and I'm kind of glad that I did because on Ulta's website, Nabla products go out of stock so quickly. I'm still waiting for some of the highlighters, and they just released some bronzers as well to come back in stock. I put in my email to notify me when it'll come back in stock. It will probably fly off the shelves super quick. I remember the highlighters going on sale for 21 Days of Beauty, gone instantly. I think I would have liked maybe some more colors that complemented Rosemary, Addiction, and Fantasize a little bit more, especially since Rosemary and Fantasize are shimmers. Some more mattes to help balance those out, I think would have been a little bit better in my opinion. Oh, we're gonna have some good staying power. Look at that. They don't want to budge from my arm. Again from Nabla, we have Miami Lights. Wow, this is gorgeous. I am not one for glitters, but oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. These actually might turn me into a glitter lover. These are absolutely stunning. I really like how refined these glitters are. I really like the pink and navy blue ones the most. Hopefully this one picks up a little bit more. It's the only one. Okay, there we go. It does pick up. I guess I just didn't grab enough on the initial pickup. Me and my eyes don't get along with glitter. I did use glitter one time in a video and it backfired by causing some redness in my eye. So that's just me justifying why I don't use glitters. But these glitters, how can I resist? I want to pair it with Secret Palette as well as the Dreamy 2 palette. That is one of my favorite ones that I own. I feel like these two shades are going to complement that one the most. And then these two shades will probably complement Secret Palette. Next, we have some Lily Lashes. I have not tried Lily Lashes. This has been a brand I've been wanting to try ever since I got into lashes. And this is the style Miami. This is what Miami looks like. This style is right up my alley. It's dramatic enough for me because I got pitiful lashes, so it's going to make my lashes look really full. It's not too wispy, and the style goes like short, long, which is very similar to the style that I have on right now. This is a new product from Lily Lashes. This is their eyeliner. I am always down for eyeliner. I go through it so quick. This is what the tip looks like. This is what the swatch looks like. It's matte and precise. I hope it has good staying powers and that it lasts long. I know a lot of eyeliners like to adhere to shimmers and glitters. That can shorten the lifespan of liners, and I hope it doesn't dry out fast. It's Lily Lashes, so I'm sure this is going to be on the higher end price of eyeliner, so I want it to be able to last long to get the most bang out of your buck. Not gonna lie, this product is the reason why I really wanted the TRENDMOOD box. I really wanted to try the new Marc Jacobs mascara, and this packaging, super bougie. And this is what the wand looks like. I hope this both volumizes and lengthens my lashes. I think this mascara is about $30 on Sephora's site. I really wanted to buy it on release date, but when I saw sneak peeks of the TRENDMOOD box, I was thinking, let me try to get this box first. If I don't get it, I'm still gonna treat myself. Shockingly, I was able to get this box. These boxes go like that, so I definitely try to get them on early access. I've had better luck with early access than when the box goes live. And then the last products are these Milani Glosses. I think I'm gonna keep Strawberry Lemonade for myself, and then I'm gonna put Mango Coconut and Dragon Fruit Peach in the giveaway as well. Overall, I am pretty stoked for that TRENDMOOD box. I am more excited to be able to share a bunch of those products with you guys, and I can't wait to try everything else out in a first impressions. Up next is the Black Owned Brands box, and this is what the inside looks like. I already see another giveaway item for you guys. This is by Colored Rain. This is the Smoke Show palette. Just want to make sure that it's not busted, and it's not. This is what the inside looks like. Colored Rain is coming out with a new palette, and I am stoked. I really enjoyed the Colored Rain formula. I still need their beautiful rainbow palette in my collection, but I have mine still untouched and ready to do swatches. Oh wow, this Lily Lashes eyeliner going nowhere. It doesn't want to budge. That's a good sign. This is what Smoke Show looks like. Cloudy Naked Eye Smoke Screen. Oh, smoke screen, absolutely gorgeous. Torch Flammable Showtime. And this is the palette Swatched. I love how creamy and smooth all of these shades felt, both the mattes and the one shimmer. While these 4 shades at the end could create a beautiful look, for my preference, I would probably have to pair this palette to get the most bang and use out of it. What is next? Zodiac Cosmetics. I have not tried them before. Wow, this is stunning. This is by Zodiac Cosmetics in the shade Zeus. Zeus is gonna create a mess over here, but look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow, how stunning is that? I think this is supposed to be a highlighter, but it's also gonna look so pretty all over the lids. One swipe. Look at that pigment, and look at the pigments all over me and my shirt right now too. We have 3 lip products. First from Propa Beauty, this is the Luminous Satin Lipstick. And the shade we got is Focused. This packaging looks nice and bougie. Reminds me of that Marc Jacobs. Ooh, look at that shade. It is stunning. And I have Zeus falling out all over me right now. I have to get rid of the swatch. Zeus thinks it's confetti. Oh wow, that is a gorgeous shade. At first, I did not like brown lipsticks, but once I started using them more around the fall and winter time, I have fallen in love with them. This definitely feels super creamy. I like that it's satin because I have dry lips and it's just a little bit more comfortable for my liking. From Colored Rain, we also have a satin lipstick, and this is the shade Whipped, and that's what Whipped looks like. Ooh, that is gorgeous. That could be an everyday shade right there with neutral looks. I am so excited to try this on the lips. From Mented, we have the Nude Lala matte lipstick. That's so cute, Nude Lala. And this is what Nude Lala looks like. Ooh, I like that as well. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. And it felt pretty creamy for a matte. I'm so excited to try that formula out. I haven't tried anything from Mented before. This product is a metal and liquid glitter. And then this is by the brand OPV or OPV. And the shade we got is Give Me Glow, which is another brand I really want to try. Oh, and it is the shade Orange. I don't think I will ever use this, so I'm gonna set this aside for a giveaway. Nothing against it. I definitely want to give this a shot. It's just I don't use orange that much, and I don't want that to go to waste on a swatch. But we still get to try another product from OPV Beauty. This is the Born to Shine palette, and this is what the face palette looks like. The names are printed upside down. That's cool, but oh my gosh, is this face palette stunning. I know, we just went over orange, but there is one blush by Zodiac Cosmetics, and you lightly tap it, and it looks okay on the cheeks. So this might work out as opposed to this glitter. Keep calm, positive, unstoppable. I really like the shade Unstoppable. Glowy satin blushes have really grown on me. Smile, light, uplifting. And this is the face palette swatched. And then on the third row, I think Light is my favorite shade. I recently tried a beautiful plum blush like this in the Sanrio Wet n Wild collab, and it was my favorite blush. So I'm very excited to see how that blush treats me. What's interesting about this face palette is it looks super bright in your face, and then on the swatch, it kind of translates a little bit not exactly muted, but not as bright, which is kind of nice because I feel like blush is definitely an item to get easily carried away with. I'm very guilty of that. I love a dramatic blush on the cheeks. So looking at the swatches, it looks like you'll be able to build up to your liking. That way you're not looking like Jigsaw, but that's kind of what I go for. I like how there was a nice mixture of mattes and satin blushes, as well as the shade range. None of these blushes look too similar to each other. I am very excited to try all of these new products. The only brand I have tried from this box was Colored Rain. I'm a huge fan of their products and glad to try more, but these other brands are new to me. I'm obsessed with the face palette, and then the lipstick swatches seem so promising. I would love to know if you picked up either one of these Trend Mood boxes. What was your favorite product that you tried? Were any of the brands new to you? And are you looking forward to the next Trend Mood box? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.